Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts no milk easy guide. Preheat your oven or heat oil to the right temperature, then combine dry ingredients before adding wet substitutes like water or plant milk. Mix just until combined to avoid dense donuts and use a gentle fold for airiness. Fry or bake according to your chosen method, then finish with glaze or sugar while warm for best texture and flavor. In this video, I will show how to make donuts no milk easy guide. Measure ingredients precisely and choose plant milk or water to match consistency, then select oil or applesauce for fat. If you want more structure, add an extra egg or a flax egg substitute. Keep batter slightly thicker than pancake batter and rest briefly to hydrate flour. Cook at consistent temperature and monitor color to avoid undercooking or burning for perfect donuts. In this video, I will show how to make donuts no milk easy guide. Avoid overmixing to keep a tender crumb, and preheat the oven so donuts rise evenly. Use a scoop for uniform sizes, and check doneness with a toothpick for a clean release. Allow donuts to cool slightly before applying glaze so it sets properly, and store leftovers in an airtight container to preserve softness and prevent staling while flavors develop overnight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.